stampers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. I'm so excited. It's Saturday. I just got my paper pumpkin in the mail. Although it said it was coming on Monday, it came today. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. This is the Beary Comforting December 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's rip this thing open. See what we got inside. Okay, right off the bat, Rich Razzleberry ink spot. So let's get our Rich Razzleberry ink pad. We have our stamp set here. And I don't have anything to put it on. So we're going to do it. Let me see. I don't know if that's going to work. Here. There we go. Can you see that better? You are not, you are on my mind. Hooray. Get well soon. A bouquet of flowers and a cute little teddy bear. Isn't that cute? My lighting is kind of bad today. It's overcast, I guess that's what it's called. When it's kind of cloudy outside. I think it's going to start raining. So I have to have my little lamp on. It creates shadows. But let's get into this. Okay. Let's open this up and see what's going on. Oh. Okay, we're making cards. You know that. Looks like 3 different designs. This is what it's going to make, these cute little cards here. And again, this is the Beary Comforting December 2020 Paper Pumpkin. It includes Beary Comforting Photopolymer Stamp Set, Rich Razzleberry Classic Ink Spot, printed card bases, printed envelopes, printed foil die cut shapes and images. Oh, they're foiled. Printed die cut animals, gold foil die cut labels, and dimensionals. The coordinating colors are basic gray, calypso coral, cinnamon cider, daffodil delight, rich razzleberry, soft sea foam, and white. And here's a couple of alternate ideas they're giving us that we can make. These are cute. Ooh, I see the Forever Fern or Forever Greenery designer series paper back there. This is cute. Okay. Lay out the pieces for each card before assembling cards. Stamp the sentiments on the die cut labels. Okay. Let's see what we have first here. So we have our dimensionals. So let's get some out because this is a brand new thing. We already have some. So we have some animal cutouts. Okay, so we'll get 1 sheet of that. We have our envelopes here. Oh, they're cute. Look at the little spot for your address. This is pretty. This is in the soft sea foam. Here's one of the card bases. That's pretty with the gold foiling on it. It's really thick. Okay. That's one of the bases. More envelopes. Just a minute here, you guys. They didn't put all the envelopes together, so we have more. And how many did I say we're going to be making? Oh, it doesn't say. So let's see. There's 4 of this one, so there's probably 4 of each card. So we'll be making 12 cards with this kit. So we have some die cut circles and a rectangle. So we'll get 1 of those out. Let's go ahead and pop these out. Let's pop these out too while we're at it. Just get everything ready. Oh, look. Oh. Nope, that one doesn't do it. Did you see that? It's going to be holding something. Oh, look there, the little hands, they hold something too. This is cute. Okay. Here's another card base. This one is nice. It matches the envelope. That is pretty. Oh, goodness. I love this. Rich raspberry and soft seafoam. I would have never put those together. That is pretty. Where's my bone folder? Okay, then we have these little squares here. This is so pretty. And here's a Calypso Coral card base. It looks just like the Rich Raspberry one, just in Calypso Coral. Let's get that one ready. These are cute. Okay, then we have our some labels here. So let's see. Looking at the instructions, we're going to need one of each of these. So let's go ahead and get these out and ready. Okay, and then, oh, look. Oh, these are foiled on. Oh, these are pretty. We have a gift. Oh, wait. Okay, the gift is not on here, so I guess you can put the gift or a cupcake or the flowers here. Well, the flowers go here and the heart goes there. So I guess you can put a gift or a cupcake here. Oh, they did a cupcake, and I've already punched the gift out, so we're going to be using the gift. And we'll get a bouquet of flowers and a heart. That is cute. Oh, my, I'm excited. Okay, and the only thing they gave us was Stampin' Dimensional, so I guess everything goes on with dimensionals. Okay. I might use some liquid glue, though. And we need some blocks. So we're going to stamp our sentiments. And look like we're using all 3 sentiments. So let's go ahead and get those mounted. Let me see. This is too big for this one. Nope, it fits. Okay, so everybody has their own block. So let's get out of our way. Let's get our elements out of the way so we can stamp our sentiments. Get our ink pad opened here. Okay, so on the circle, we're going to put "You Are On My Mind." Try to get that on a little straighter. Stamp that down. Oh, that's pretty. Then we have "Get Well," and that's going to go on this little short one here. "Get Well Soon," right in the middle. These are stamping beautifully. That looks like I curved it a little bit when I put it on the block. And "Hooray." Okay. That's a big label for this little "hooray," but okay. That's all the stamping. That's all we need to do. These look like they're going to go together quickly. So this is going to be in landscape, and we need the little circle. I'm going to glue this down. I don't think I want everything popped up. So we're just going to put this right here in the middle. And then I'll pop up the rest. So on this one, we have these cute little koalas. You know, I found out that these are not bears. We always say koala bears. These are not bears. So we shouldn't say koala bear. They're just koalas. I don't know where I heard that or read it. But, okay. Well, let's put this up a little higher because we have to put our sentiment at the bottom. And we're putting a gift in here. Oh, man. That's cute. They're holding the gift. Oh, man, I didn't... Let me see. Where's my take your pick tool? They went back down even after I popped it up. So you got to make sure you Really get them up. Okay. So you don't have to put anything behind the gift to hold it in there if you don't want to. But I am, because I'm afraid it might come off. So I'm going to just put something right underneath the top here, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Then on this one is Hooray. So let's get that sentiment popped up and put onto our card. This is cute. I like it. That's the first card done. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay, so let's do this one next, since it's the next one in the pile. We have this, and we have this goes on here. This is a really cute and simple kit this month. This would be a good one for some kids to put together, because it's not too many, you know, little pieces. This one is going to portrait mode. Oh, this one has the bear on it, and he's holding the flowers. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh, it's only on one. Okay, so he's holding the flowers over here. I'm going to put a little bit of glue under his hand so that he can hold on to those flowers really good. Yep. Then we're going to pop some dimensionals on the back of him. Or her. Could be a girl bear. I don't know. I don't know their business like that. Okay, that's good. Let's get these backs off. Did I do that one? Nope. And we're going to put this right here in the middle. This is cute. Then we're going to pop up our You Are On My Mind sentiment. Let's get this one going. This would be so cute with some little embellishments. And we're going to just pop this right here to the side. Just like that. Card number 2 done. So cute. Let's see. I don't want to cover his mouth. Or her mouth. I don't know. It's a bear. It's an animal. Its mouth. Okay. Number 3. This one is portrait as well. So we're going to have this little square glued down. I really should close up my glue. I'm making a mess over here. And they have the stripes going horizontal. So let's try to center this. And we're going to pop up everything. Everything gets dimensionals. So we'll put them on there. And on the back of the heart. And on the back of the raccoon, is it? Is this a raccoon? I don't know what that is. Could be a raccoon. I don't know. It's cute. I hope I'm not getting into the camera because I was leaning over a bit. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to take him or her. I'm going to take it. This cute little guy, he looks like a guy. I'm going to take him and put him here. I'm going to take the heart and put it right here by his hand like he's holding it. Then the sentiment will go underneath. Get well soon. We'll just put this right here. This is a cute and easy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We're done with all 3. Aren't those cute? That is the December 2020 Beary Comforting Paper Pumpkin. Unboxed and put together. There you go. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.